So here we go, folks. Green flag in the air. We're racing A-main style tonight at Speedway Indoor Karting.
Big understeer for Howerton there. O'Keefe with the early advantage. Boyles up into the P2 hole. 98, a big slider. Clinton Boyles, Colin Markle going to cross underneath them. Markle now slides back up to the top. That's going to let the number 8 of Grider to the lead. Grider slides around on the bottom.
4 wide on the exit at 2.
I don't think that works, but it did. The leader gets turned, and we got a red. No, we're going to stay.
Negative, no red on the course. We keep digging. Boy.
Not really sure what just happened there.
And they're wadding him up again over in 4.
Meanwhile, Clinton Boyles, your leader.
Wow. Wow, this one is off to a wet, wild, and woolly start.
So that was a double slider attempt. Paccioni was the first man in. Markle tried to be the second, and it was pirouette style.
So I understand Boyles is our leader, yes?
Maybe not. Oh, that was close.
Boy, Clinton's giving that high side a workout through 1 and 2. Let's see what he does over in 3 and 4. Stays up high. And he goes to work on the 0 cart of Johnny O'Keefe, your pole sitter here in the A-main. And Chris, I'm going to admit it to you now, I've got no idea who's leading.
Timing and scoring is telling us Josh Paccioni is your leader. I have to check in with the old timing and scoring group.
Either way, this one's about to go green-white checker as they've reached lap number 11. As Chris said, it's a 15-lap stage to kick things off. They've all found each other. I'm ready for this one to get checkered and get sorted out. Now we're showing Markle as your race leader. Tyler Grider scored in second, Paccioni, O'Keefe, Boyles, and Howard in. They're all over each other.
You could cover him with a blanket. I just don't know who your leader. Clinton Boyles was your leader, so we should be good to go here. Oh, Colin Markle, big time, Ripper Magoo.
Oh, that's not going to work out for him long as he stuffs it into the barrier in 4.
So Boyles is your leader, and you're just looking at it. O'Keefe to the bottom of Boyles. O'Keefe's going to win the stage.
Yellow checkers wave at the line. And
green, green, green. O'Keefe's going to slide him. Boyles, Ripper Magoo on the restart. Doesn't work out for him. Whoa, back to the bottom. Shot in the shorts.
Wow,
Markle
that's the number
now
5. Colin Markle says thank you next as he passes for the lead. But just like
back
that,
to the point. Here comes Grider on the bottom. Boyles going to come with him.
Boy, Boyles working Grider over as they head to 1. Boyles on the inside, and he says thank you next.
He's been watching a little NASCAR. He had his hand out the window net. Ooh, triple slider! No,
Man.
I don't know how that works.
I don't know how any of this works, to be honest with you, Chris. Boyles pointing to the high side as maybe a suggestion.
Howerton now going to slide back through. He's got Colin Markle coming with him. Paccioni bunny hops the bottom.
Boy, this is just good old clean family fun right here, folks.
3 wide here in the A main event. O'Keefe.
Oh, Boyles way down on the bottom, takes 2 away for the lead.
Markle now, super slider. O'Keefe coming through.
Willikers, this is exciting.
Grider comes through. Boyles back to the bottom.
Who wants to lead here at Tuesday Night Thunder? No one, that's who.
Nobody wants to lead.
There we go. They're getting the yellow checker ready to go, but these guys haven't sorted it out, not even close yet. Is that Paccioni back to the front?
Actually, O'Keefe, Markle's gonna spin out.
Oh boy.
Howerton's gonna spin out.
Lap traffic.
O'Keefe to the bottom of Paccioni.
Lap traffic's gonna get in the way here, Paccioni.
I don't think he's gonna get lapped, is he?
Paccioni working on the lapper as they come to the yellow checker. No, it's not up yet. Still more racing to go.
Markle racing to get his lap back here.
And now the yellow checker's getting ready to wave. No, not yet still. I can't count.
Clinton Boyles your leader, though.
This is breathtaking.
The upside, though, is Markle may be down a lap, but he's going to get probably the lucky dog here.
How many laps is this stage?
Clinton Boyles, your stage winner in the 98.
And thankfully, he knocks the dust off the turn 1 barrier. We appreciate him for that.
So green flag in the air.
Boyles gets busy on the bottom.
O'Keefe going to slide through Paccioni here.
Wow, Boyles played that start perfectly, Chris, as he got way down to the inside. But they're getting
up the bottom.
Side by side for second.
Hold
Whoa!
on! Puccini's gonna spin.
One driver around at the back.
So from the front row to the last spot here is Puccini, as he's got leader Clinton Boyles all over him. Take this moment to say thank you to all of our series presenting sponsors watching at home. Got a text message a little bit ago from Rick Young, Rams Racing, Jeff Taylor, Rockwell Security. They'll be coming up here in just a couple weeks as your presenter.
Oh, Rick Young's my buddy.
Absolutely. Of course, you got Herget Realty here on site all season long. Friends at Indianapolis Motor Speedway, the Conrad Group Insurance, Gateway Motorsports Park. Obviously, Bell Helmets here tonight. We have got a barn burner on our hands, but Clinton Boyles, what we like to call walking the dog, as the lap time's almost identical. Where this is going to get interesting here is when we get to lap traffic.
Yeah, we've got a barn burner unless you like close races.
So clean air has been the key tonight, and Clinton Boyles has found it, but now he's in lap traffic, and
Wow.
here comes Colin Markle.
Wow, Boyles is just moving through this field like butter.
Can he continue, though?
This is amazing.
Puccini and Markle gets through, but at the same time, Boyles gets by Grider. So Boyles trying to keep one kart separation at all times. He's now working the backside of Howerton. So your leader on Howerton.
Boy. Watch out. Boyles with a little bit of trouble with a lapper.
But he's going to get clear. He continues to have that gap. 5 laps to go here. Can Clinton Boyles finally pick up that elusive victory?
Colin Markle, I believe this is his first day main event, Chris, yes?
Absolutely it is.
And he's going to work on the bottom, 1.4 seconds back. Last time by, 4 to go this time by.
Johnny O'Keefe trying to get one for Dad, who's homesick tonight. 2 to go now for Clinton Boyles.
Oh boy, Boyles can almost taste this one as he is 1 lap away from the victory here on night number 4 of Tuesday Night Thunder. Chris, call him home.
Clinton Boyles off into turns 3 and 4, coming across. Clinton Boyles gonna win it.
All right, everybody, your A-main winner, Clinton Boyles. Ooh. You messed that up. It's all on Wheeler now.
Chris Wheeler blowing off too early.
Poor Wheeling.
I think that was premature, Chris, but thanks for playing.
Clinton Boyles, your A-main winner. A first-time A-main winner. You've been in the main every week, but you just haven't been able to quite get it done. How's the first-time win feeling?
It's pretty cool. You know, the whole team spent a lot of time this week at the engine dyno, and we really spent a lot of time testing on track, and it really shows. You know, a lot of these guys just kind of come out and ride around, and you know, we really put in the work. So it's really cool to get this win for the guys back at the shop. It means a lot to them, and we're gonna go have a party.
All right, let's hear it for your winner, Clinton Boyles. Colin Markle, your second-place finisher. I believe you started in the E-main tonight. You were pretty on it.
Yeah, I ran pretty good. You know, these Roush Yates engines, they do unrelentless work over there at Yates Engine Shop, and it proves it tonight. You know, me and Clinton both got Roush Yates, so it's pretty nice to get forward a front row finish.
Roush Yates, P1 and 2, is our third-place runner.
Quick disclaimer.
Johnny O'Keefe gone from never making a main to making it tonight. What was your first day main experience here like at Tuesday Night Thunder?
It was amazing. Got to run the high line, so I didn't make anybody look bad. That was fun. Hopefully we can get here again sometime.
All right, there you have it. Johnny O'Keefe, your third-place runner tonight.